Hi guys, my name is Alyssa. Welcome to my life. Always a great day. Hi guys, my name is Alyssa. I am a senior from Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and I major in hospitality, restaurant, and tourism management. I have the opportunity to be an event intern at a company called USA Football, which is based out of Indianapolis, Indiana. And this weekend, I am in Lexington, Kentucky, running one of our regional camps. It's going to be a great camp. Very excited to show you guys what we have going on. One of the coolest things about my internship is that I have the opportunity to travel all over the country every week putting on events. It's just making sure that the camp is running smoothly, that coaches are good with everything that they need. Coach, you good?
We are great.
Players are good, the drills are all set up and ready to go. And this is a project that I've been able to take on my own and really see it come to life. It's exciting. It's fun that I am trusted to go out and run these whole events just as an intern. So I'm really lucky that I'm able to say that. One of the most important things that I have to do is make sure that Gatorade is all filled up and ready to go. So while our athletes are out there, they have lots to drink.
Ice, baby.
Another part of what I do is creating this. This is the event Bible with everything that I need to know regarding this event. Information for lunch, coaches information, player information, everything we need to know about the facility, about Gatorade, about shipping. Everything that I do and plan beforehand is in this binder. This never leaves my side, ever. And just like that, camp is over for today. Learned a lot, had a ton of fun, put a lot of hard work, and it's totally worth it at the end of the day.
What a blessing.
What a blessing.